Here I have VIVO S1 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll stay with English, then tap Start. Next you have to select your location, for example Bermuda. Then you have to agree with user's agreement and tap Next. Next you have to agree with privacy statement, tap Next. Next you have to agree with VIVO e-warranty card privacy terms and tap Next. Then agree with the user experience improvement plan, or no, you don't have to agree with it, just you can proceed without agreeing with this plan. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip the step and connect to Wi-Fi later. Next you have to set up your date and time. Next is Google services. If you want, you can just leave them, but if you don't want them, you can just disable them here, but in any case you will have to accept the Google terms of service and privacy policy. Next you can set up your lock screen, your unlock method. It could be screen lock, fingerprint, or face ID, but you can skip this step for now and just do it later in settings. Then you can enable automatic updates, and that's it. Use now. Now your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.